Hmm. What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about walking. Walking as the primary way to achieve weight loss success. Today is Wednesday, where, I talk about weight loss, talk about plant-based lifestyle. And what's interesting is that I almost forgot myself, my journey in terms of weight loss and a plant-based lifestyle. And I was watching a video from like 2 years back, and I was like, "Whoa, I had a bit more weight on me." And I remember that around 2 years ago, at my heaviest, I was around 88 kilos, and this was already on a vegan lifestyle. So I can completely understand if there's people out there who are on a vegan lifestyle and are still struggling to see a weight loss success, because it is possible. Oreos are vegan. You can go heavy on the nuts, seeds, and avocados and stuff like that, all the fake meat. So there is ways in which we can still see weight loss success on a plant-based lifestyle if we're already eating vegan. So that was just a humbling experience. I was like, wow, I have seen success on this. I've seen a journey in terms of weight loss for myself on this lifestyle. And this video, this video is not going to be really talking about that. It's going to be talking about walking for weight loss. And recently, I've been watching Alkaline Mom. And if you don't know who that is, it's a relatively new channel that I've came across, at least. And she's posting about walking 10,000 steps a day, which is what I love. It's all about the alkaline sort of diet, so I'm guessing it's more like Dr. Sebi, etc., mucusless diet. And I absolutely love that. I've been saying for a while now, I'm like, man, we need more channels promoting walking and a plant-based lifestyle as a sustainable form of exercise. So many people, aiming to lose weight by doing crazy things. And I'm like, man, you know what I mean? Like, there should be like a huge movement of people walking and eating a plant-based lifestyle. And this is actually what inspired me to create the video and go on a journey walking 10 miles every single day for a month. And I made a video about that. I will leave a link in the description somewhere. And that video has gotten a lot of views. So I highly recommend you checking that out if you are interested in using walking as a form of like health and sort of weight loss transformation. It's a really good video in terms of like staying inspired, staying motivated. And I'm just going to rehash some of the things I said there. Walking is just great for getting outside, getting into nature. Walking is great in terms of getting more socially connected to people in your community. You're having more fresh air because it's a sustainable sort of low impact form of exercise. It's something you can do every single day, and you're feeling good because you're stimulating endorphins. Endorphins make you feel good, and you're outside more, sunshine. So there's just so many good things to do with weight loss. But one of the things I would say is that if your primary goal is to lose weight through walking, understand that walking is just a tool. But ultimately, your diet, what you're putting in your body, is the thing that's gonna get you there. It's the thing that's gonna get you there. It's the 80% of the success that you're going to see in terms of what you're sort of putting in your system. Because like you could be eating the worst diet ever and walking tons, still not gonna see no results. You're not gonna see results. You're not gonna see sustainable results. You have to blend both eating a whole food plant-based lifestyle, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, get the berries, the greens, the beans. You have to marry that with a walking lifestyle, and you'll see amazing transformation. I've seen it. I've seen people in my life see it. And you watch Clinton's prophecy. There will be thousands thousands of channels showing you the power of a plant-based lifestyle and walking, and showing you the power of a plant-based lifestyle and walking in a way no other way of eating can show you. Because it's really hard to consistently get loads of steps, consistently do long distance if you're not consuming an abundant source of carbohydrate calories coming from either fruits or starches. Plant-based lifestyle. And I just know this is what's gonna happen. So there's going to be a rise in people, losing weight, seeing success, getting in the best health, best fitness ever, primarily from walking and a plant-based lifestyle. So you mark my words. So this video, shout out to all those people doing it. 2020, this is your year. This is your year to kick butt. And I'm going to be getting the steps in. I'm going to be creating a product to help you get more steps in. An ebook, weight loss and walking ebook, to help you get the steps in. And I'm going to put in some useful psychology information in there to actually help you see success. Things like visualization, writing down your goals, getting an accountability partner. All these different things are going to be in that ebook. Look out for that. As always, peace, love, veganism. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you, Alkaline Mom. You're very inspiring. Please go check her out. I'll leave her channel in the description section below.